Red Sea has led the way. We are going to be the largest tourism destination in the world powered by renewable energy. The largest microgrid in the world powered by renewable energy. The largest battery storage system in the world. The largest district cooling system in the world powered by renewable energy. So what we're doing is not just simply sustainability, because sustainability is no longer enough. COP27, COP26, and COP28, all they're doing is talking about what we need to do. Nobody is doing it. Red Sea and Saudi Arabia are doing it today. So Red Sea is going to be net zero day one.